Hello guys, welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel, where I take you through everything tech. That means that hardware, softwares, phones, gadgets, anything. Here's Tech Hub. If it's tech, you can get it here. So guys, in today's video, we're just going to be diving right into how to generate long form videos using Grok. Now in this video, we're going to be using two tools. We're going to be using Gemini, which you could use ChatGPT if you wanted, and then also we're going to be using Grok. So let's dive right in, but don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button as we go into today's video. So let's go. So here we are in my screen. We're going to be first selecting Gemini. So you're just going to type in Gemini AI, type it in Google and select Gemini. Then next on the side, we're going to open Grok AI. All right. So these are the two we're going to use, Gemini in here, and then Grok on the other side here. If you're not signed in to Grok or signed up, you want to sign in. So after signing in, here we have it. So in Gemini, this is what we're going to do. We're going to be starting with a prompt, which is going to be generating a 60-second video story for us. And for that, this is going to be the prompt that I use that says, hey there, write a short story in Disney style with 2 characters, and it should be 60 seconds long. I'm just going to add one thing here. I'm going to say realistic looking, okay, Disney style. Okay, so once we're done with that, we're going to proceed that way, and then immediately Gemini is going to put it together. It's saying that it has got 2 characters. These are their names inside the story. All right, so we have this. Now next we're going to use a second prompt, which is, now you can pause the video at any point in time and copy the prompts that I'm using. All right, so here I'm saying now it should provide me with visual prompts for the story that and also to make sure the prompts flow. We want to flow the prompts, and it should be 12 prompts to make sure it's 60 seconds. Okay, so once we're done with that, we're also going to proceed with that, and Gemini is going to create the prompts, so we can see the prompts here. All right, so these are 12 prompts that we're going to be using to generate the videos. This is everything we have to do on the Gemini side. Now before I move into the next part of things, I'm going to be selecting here the prompt, the first prompt, and I'm going to copy that prompt. Okay, now you can see underneath each one, it's written here the style that it needs. That way it keeps the Grok AI producing the same style type of the videos, and that's very important. So when you write your prompt, you want to ensure that at the final parts here, it says that mention the story style. So it's very important. So now we're going to take this and copy it. Once we've copied it, we're going to come into Grok. Now once you're in Grok, you're going to go to the left hand side and select imaging. Now at the bottom here, you're going to see here we have video selected. You want to switch from video to image, and then also select the aspect ratio that you want. In this example, I want to do a 3:2 aspect ratio. If you want it for TikTok, Instagram, Reels and all that, you want to select 2:3. But here I'm going to be using this style. So I select this and select image. The reason this is important is because when I select the image, I'm able to generate the image first and foremost. And after the image generation, I make sure the image I generated is what I want and use that to produce the video that I want. So I select this, and then I paste my first prompt inside to generate the first set of images that I can select the style I want from. So I'm going to proceed to generate it. It's going to be generating several images, but you have to select one that appeals more to you. So we have all these generated this way. Looks like a market square. And so a wide shot of best sun-drenched town market. So exactly what we have here. So you're going to select which one it is that you want, different views, but often than not, the first 3 are the best that you can get generated. So in this example, I'm going to be taking this middle one. So by select, if you want to select, you want to just click on this and then it selects it. Now the same prompt that we took, now you can see here it's make video. So you're going to select here and then put the prompt, same prompt you used to generate the image inside here, now to generate the video. All right, once this is in, you're going to click on this to generate that video. Now a very important part of this is because you're generating videos, whenever you've generated a video, you want to make sure you download the video. There is a tendency that you get excited and forget to download the video. So once you're done with this, you're going to click on this and it's going to start generating the video. This takes a couple of seconds, less than a minute to generate each video. Right, so let's wait. So we have our video generated right now. You can pause the video and then make sure again to download the video. So you download the video by clicking on this, and the first video has been downloaded. Now, a very important part is what is coming. Now, we're going to be generating the next video, and you don't want to start afresh every single time when generating the video, because at every point in time when you start again by inputting the prompt directly in here, it's going to be generating a video with no recollection of the previously existing video. So what you're going to do is come into this video and then come to the very last part of the video, click on the video and select the option to copy video frame. So you're copying this very frame in the video, copy video frame. Once you've done that, it's copied, you're going to come to the base here and paste it here. Now, there is a feature in Grok that causes Grok to automatically start downloading the video, and you're going to see it right here. So if I click here and I paste it, Grok is going to automatically start generating the video, as you see here, without any prompt. That way, we don't get any understanding of what it's trying to really do. Like, we don't know what it's generating the video for. Okay, so what you're going to do right now is you're going to now come inside Gemini and select the second prompt that we have here, which is the continuation of the previous prompt, and rather bring that prompt, input this video to give context to the start of the image that we have, and then how it should generate a continuous video. So once we are done here, we're going to now click on this to generate the video based on this prompt you just input, and we wait. All right, so now we can see a continuation of the video. So what you're going to do now is, don't forget, download this very one. Once you've downloaded this one, now you're going to move this all the way to the end of the video so that you have something to remember from this very video. Right click on it and select copy video frame. Then, as you can see here, the prompt box is not open. So you're going to go back into this place, and then you're going to be pasting it here. But you remember the auto generation. We're going to remove the auto generation by coming to the bottom left corner here, then coming to settings and going to behavior. Then scroll down and you're going to see enable automatic video generation and toggle that off. Once you're done toggling that off, you're going to come back inside here and now paste your image. You'll find out that after pasting the image, it just comes here without automatically downloading. So you're going to come in and pick the third prompt, and then come inside here, paste the prompt, and proceed to generate. Note, after every generation, you want to download the video, or else you'll be missing a lot of frames that you're supposed to be used to generating. All right, so we can see that the video got generated. We're going to download that video. We've downloaded it. Then we take this, the final frames of the video here, and then we're going to copy that frame and then come back again in here, paste that, and we're going to continue to generate the rest of the videos. So you can hold on, and I'm going to go through the entire process and present you with the entire videos that I generated at the end. All right, so now we have all the videos we want generated from here all through to here. All 12 videos have been generated, so we can come into CapCut and bring all our videos into CapCut. So we can bring all our videos into CapCut and then have them all on the timeline. Now, with it all this way, let's look at how it flows. The audio is a bit off, so we can mute the entire audio and then have it flow the way we want it to flow. Okay, so we can see all the scenes kind of blend in and form one cohesive video. All right, so now what we're going to do is go back inside. Once we're inside here, we can go here into Google AI Studio. Okay, and then once we are in here, we will come to the text to speech with Gemini. Once we've selected this, we can come to the right side and select single speaker audio, and then come into our Gemini story that was written, and we can take the entire story and take from here all the way to here, and then take that story, put that story inside here, and on the right side we can select different model voices.
Ready to build something awesome today? Got a project in mind.
What do you want to explore?
What sparks your
Select which
interest?
one works for us, and then once you're okay with one, you select that, and on at this bottom you're going to click on run. It's going to be able to generate the audio now for you, that you take that audio and input that audio into your video. There's few changes you have to make to the video so that it kind of tallies with what is said in the audio, and you would have made a perfect video for yourself. This takes a couple of seconds, so we wait.
The midday sun is warm but gentle on the cobbled path of the...
Alright, so we have the audio generated. You're going to click on this and download that audio. Once the audio is downloaded, you're going to now come into CapCut and put your audio inside there to continue the generation of your video. So you're going to take your audio and insert it into your video, cut the parts that are important, and then once you're done, everything inserted, you're going to be able to generate your complete video.
The midday sun is warm but gentle.
You're going to just listen to it carefully, cut and match the video with the audio, and then you have your whole, for yourself, a whole video that you can post on your socials. All right, guys, so thank you very much. Here's how to use Grok to generate a whole lengthy or long form video for yourself. If you learned something new here, kindly let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and I'll see you later. Peace out.